above the clouds, hidden from the eyes of the world below, there existed a magical place known as the Sky Garden. This garden floated in the sky, held aloft by ancient magic and filled with the most exquisite flowers, sparkling waterfalls, and vibrant, lush greenery. The Sky Garden was a sanctuary for all kinds of birds, from tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles, who lived in perfect harmony. At the heart of the Sky Garden stood the Grand Aviary Palace, home to Princess Alara, the Songbird Princess. Alara was a kind-hearted and gentle soul, gifted with the ability to communicate with all the birds of the Sky Garden. Her voice was as melodious as the sweetest birdsong, and her beauty rivaled the most enchanting flowers in the garden. One serene morning, as the sun bathed the Sky Garden in golden light, a shadow began to spread across the sky. The birds grew silent, and a chill ran through the air. Princess Alara, sensing that something was amiss, called upon her closest friends, Orion, a wise old owl, Sora, a swift and agile falcon, and Lyra, a graceful and elegant swan. Orion, with his vast knowledge of ancient lore, revealed that an evil sorceress named Zephyra had escaped from her prison. Zephyra, once banished for attempting to conquer the Sky Garden, had returned with a vengeance. She sought to seize control of the Aviary Palace and use its magic to rule over the skies and the land below. Determined to protect her home and the birds she loved, Princess Alara decided to embark on a quest to stop Zephyra. With Orion, Sora, and Lyra by her side, Alara set out on a journey across the Sky Garden. They were guided by the whispers of the wind and the songs of the birds, which led them to their first destination, the Crystal Falls. The Crystal Falls were a breathtaking sight, with water cascading down in shimmering streams that sparkled like diamonds. It was here that the Amulet of Light was hidden, an artifact that could dispel Zephyra's dark magic. The journey to the falls was fraught with danger, as Zephyra's minions lurked in the shadows, ready to attack. Sora used her speed to scout ahead and warn of any danger, while Lyra's elegance and poise calmed their fears. At the base of the falls, they encountered Lumina, the guardian of the Crystal Falls and a radiant phoenix. Lumina tested their courage and purity of heart, challenging them with riddles and trials. Alara's unwavering determination and the support of her friends helped them succeed. And Lumina, impressed by their bravery, bestowed the Amulet of Light upon them. Their next destination was the Golden Grove, a forest of ancient trees whose leaves glowed with a golden hue. The grove was home to the Tree of Wisdom, which held the Book of Secrets. This book contained the knowledge needed to defeat Zephyra. The journey through the grove was challenging, with enchanted creatures and magical traps. Orion's wisdom and Lyra's grace helped them navigate the dangers and reach the Tree of Wisdom. The Tree of Wisdom, an ancient and towering tree, spoke to them in a voice that resonated with the wisdom of ages. It shared the secrets of the Book of Secrets, revealing the spells and incantations needed to counter Zephyra's magic. With the book in hand, they felt a renewed sense of hope and strength. Their final destination was the Stormy Peaks, where Zephyra's dark fortress stood. The peaks were shrouded in storm clouds, with lightning flashing and thunder roaring. The journey was treacherous, with steep cliffs and powerful winds. Sora's agility and Orion's knowledge of the skies helped them navigate the perilous terrain. At the heart of the stormy peaks, they found Zephyra, her eyes glowing with malevolence and her dark magic crackling in the air. She laughed at their efforts, confident in her power. But Alara, holding the amulet of light and the book of secrets, stood her ground. She spoke the ancient incantations, and a brilliant light erupted from the amulet, piercing through the darkness and weakening Zephyr's magic. In a fierce battle, Sora used her speed to distract Zephyr, while Lyra's elegance and grace provided support. Orion's wisdom guided Alara as she channeled the combined power of the amulet and the book. With one final spell, Alara unleashed a powerful wave of light that enveloped Zephyr, stripping her of her dark powers and banishing her once more. With Zephyr defeated, the storm clouds cleared, and the Sky Garden was bathed in sunlight once more. The birds sang in celebration, and the magic of the Sky Garden was restored. Princess Alara and her friends returned to the Aviary Palace as heroes, their bravery and determination celebrated by all. The story of Princess Alara and the defeat of Zephyr became a legend, a tale of courage, friendship, and the triumph of light over darkness. The Sky Garden flourished, a haven of beauty and harmony, safeguarded by the brave Songbird Princess and her loyal friends. And so, in the magical realm of the Sky Garden, the bond between humans and birds grew stronger. And the spirit of adventure and bravery lived on in the hearts of all its inhabitants.